Hey there, YouTube. I want to take a quick break from all the maintenance issues and do some flying. Since there's no engine in my airplane, and it's been 5 months since I've flown any approaches, my currency is about to lapse. Come along with me as I refamiliarize myself with the 6-pack and the 172, as Madisun helps me stay current. And we get some actual.
Alright, here we go. We're getting into it.
Okay, we got our shoulder harnesses on.
It's not going to be tight enough now.
Yeah. I have to be able to reset, but then it's going to,
yeah. There we go. That's my struggle, is even at the loosest, I'm struggling.
Radars off, brakes set, circuit breakers checked in. Yeah, those are set.
That's good.
Alright, mixture full reach. Carb heat cold. We'll select our end. Clear!
Okay, now
we've got it until December 30th.
That's good.
And half up and half left. And let's go ahead and put this.
084 is going to be our course for the, if we were to fly the ODP.
084.
Tracy Municipal Airport, automated weather up.
All right, so we got the weather. We're the wind. Let's get that wind again.
Wind.
I had 110 at 11.
12 knots. Visibility 6.
And visibility's gone up, so we are actually full KMCE VFR rules. Tracy traffic, Skyhawk 51254, taxi to runway 12 via Delta Bravo, Tracy. All right, here we go, rolling forward, and my brakes work.
Hey, my controls.
Airplane, you've got it.
All right, my brakes are checked, your controls.
08's clear, 26.
I saw no one on 26. Looks clear.
Tracy traffic, Skyhawk 51254, crossing runway 0826 at Bravo, Tracy. All of our instruments are good. Our turning instruments are working, rather. Alright, taxi check complete. Parking brake set. Cabin doors, windows closed and locked. Flight controls. Come up. Free and correct. Fuel selectors on both. Mixture is rich. Carb heat is off. Throttle 800, 1700.
17.
Amp meter is slight charge with the light is out. Alright, so magneto check. We'll go right first. The left out. About the same
50,
drop.
Yeah.
Back to both. Carb heat. About a 50 drop. Hard idle. We still have an engine. Actually, emergency briefing if anything happens as we're rolling down the runways. Reduce power, stop before the end of the runway. If we lift off and there's runway in front of us, reduce power, settle back down to the runway. If anything goes wrong after we've lifted off and there's no runway left, I'm going to turn to the right because there's a little bit of field out there with some construction and such. And if we're at 1,000 feet, we're coming back to the airport.
All right.
Okay, here we go. Airspeed's coming alive. Engine instruments are in the green. 55, flight rotate. Tap the brakes. Gear coming up.
Tell me you have a
Pitch for
flow.
75. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And I'm gonna switch over. Tracy traffic, Skyhawk 254, last call, Tracy. NorCal approach, Skyhawk 51254, just off Tracy, 1,200, looking to pick up my IFR to MCE.
November 5, 1254, maintain VFR, squawk 4276.
51276, 51254.
November 51254, radar contact 4 east of the Tracy Airport, Stockton altimeter 2999er, say altitude.
2999er, 2750.
254, roger, maintain VFR and climb and maintain 5,000, I'll be clearance for you shortly.
Climb maintain 5,000, 254.
November 254, and you are cleared to the Merced Airport via direct, climb and maintain 5,000.
Cleared to the Merced Airport via direct, climb and maintain 5,000, 51254.
254, and advise when you're able to pick up the weather with the approach request.
We'll advise when we have the weather, and approach request is going to be the RNAV 12 published, missed, and then back to Modesto and then Tracy.
254, so you said the RNAV at a 12?
Affirm, 254.
254. 254, clear direct to Wick.
Direct Wick, 254.
254, upon completion of the approach, execute the published miss to return to this frequency.
Execute the published miss, return to this frequency, 51254. I'm still trying to climb in direct Wick, but let me go ahead and load the plate up.
Okay.
Got 300 feet to go, so yep, this is the RNAV GPS, runway 12 at MCE. The AWAS is 132175, so
All right, here we go. We're getting into it.
12175. Let's start reducing a little bit of RPM here.
Wind 120 at 08. Visibility 6. Haze. Sky condition overcast 8,500.
Reduce the mixture just a little bit. Oh, let's capture this.
0.07 Celsius.
All right, I would say we're borderline.
001.
Actual at 0.1.
Density altitude minus 200.
Merced Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation. 1929er Zulu. Wind 130 at 07. Visibility 6. Haze. Sky condition overcast 8,005.
Number 254, reset transponder squawk 4602.
4602, 254. I like my plane better.
I don't blame you. I like your plane better too. Don't tell anyone I said that.
I'm telling everybody.
Just YouTube.
Yeah.
Just everyone.
All right, so 3,000 feet.
Good, we got everything loaded.
We need 405 feet of decision altitude.
Okay.
435 feet for the. We've got LPV, so we're going to get an LPV, and we've got 400 feet, 405 feet, and 3/4 of a mile. So they're going to give us a 120.9 or 5. So we'll go ahead and
Stay ahead of it. Good. Only.
November 254, cross Wick at or above 3,000, cleared RNAV runway 12 approach Merced Airport.
cross Wick at or above 3,000, cleared to RNAV 12 at Merced, 51254.
Were you able to pick up the weather yet?
Hey, firm, we just finished picking that up for 254.
Okay.
All right, so down to 3,000. I want to do that at 500 feet a minute.
Okay.
I want to stay on course a little bit.
254 and change to my frequency 120.9 or 5.
51254 on 120.9 or 5.
Thank you, Castle altimeter 3005.
3005, 254. All right, we're coming down to 3,000 feet, so I'm going to put the mixture back in.
Okay.
I'm going to keep the carb heat out, because it is moist out there. So the missed approach is climb to 3,000 feet, direct Chowa, and hold.
I have 3.6. Climb 3.6.
Ah, I do have
Yay,
3.6.
briefings. Cool. Climb 3.6, direct Chowa, and hold. Cool. and we popped out of the clouds, so 0.2. Wow, it is clear.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a little disappointing, honestly. Really hoping for clouds today.
Well, and we won't climb back into it because they're at 6,000 or 5,000 feet.
Yeah, I think it was 8.5 was what Modesto was reporting. Have you flown this plane since your mishap?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
No, not since it.
Not since then.
This is my first flight since.
Oh, nice job. A little spooked, if it were me, if I'm being honest.
Nah. All right, next frequency we're going to be is on the CTAP 122.7.
Good.
Okay, once we pass Wick, then we start descending down, and we pass Gened at 2,000 feet. We need to pass Joe?
Like, Joe or, yeah. All the O's make me want to say like, ooh. Joo. That doesn't.
At above 1,100 feet.
Okay. Pretty good.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah. The one comment, it's going to be uncomfortable, it's going to be bumpy, it's going to be raining, and then we jinxed it.
I mean, it is a 172 and I'm a big guy, so it is a little uncomfortable.
Fair enough. You meant that uncomfortable.
The final is that Gened. So we'll get configured right before that. Got 3 miles before we get there.
Number 51254, change advisory frequency approved.
What advisory? See on the go, 51254. Merced traffic, Skyhawk 51254 is 9 miles on the RNAV 12, straight in 12, Merced. Alright, we got a quarter of a mile. We're inside the blue arc. I'm gonna go ahead and put 10 degrees of flaps in and then catch it so it doesn't pop up like that. Yeah, just like that. Alright, we need to hit that next one at 1,100 feet. Off a little bit, so we gotta come back. I'm gonna go 12, 130-ish, one. That looks good, I think.
We're a
Getting
little low.
bit low. Right there, this should be it. Airport should be directly in front of us.
Light slope looks good, you're getting back on course. And that's
And
minimum.
there's minimum.
Not in sight.
Merced traffic, Skyhawk 51254 on the mist. Merced. NorCal approach, Skyhawk 51254 on the mist off of Merced. 1,500 climbing 3,600.
November 51254, NorCal approach, South altimeter 2997 IDEN.
2997 IDEN, 254. I'm getting really warm.
A little warm?
November
Apologies.
254, radar contact, 2 miles southeast of the Merced Airport.
254. And now that we got some heat in that exhaust pipe.
Alright. How'd it go?
I think it went well. I think it went okay. Wasn't
November
great.
2 Zulu Sierra, Modesto Tower just advised me if you want 10 left.
Yeah,
we can approve
procedurally
that.
it went great. Just a little snaky at the end, but
A little
Number 2
sneaky.
Zulu
a little
Sierra, you can
snaky, so
expect that.
chasing the
Yeah.
course.
So it could do, yeah, it's going to have us do a teardrop.
Stop with that, huh?
Now to a 306 now. Standard rate
Clear
turn.
right.
It is smooth up here today.
It's great.
You want me to go
Pull
one?
out my. Sorry, I'm just taking a picture. Real quick. Still looking outside.
Thanks for coming along. After completing this hold, we flew the Localizer 28 right approach into Modesto, followed by the RNAV GPS 12 approach back into Tracy. It was all coming back to me, and the approaches got smoother as we progressed. Stay tuned for more flying videos and progress on the 210. Thanks for watching.